Sunday afternoon. I don't know if we're going to do it because it's still raining. Mel's got protection from the rain. I've made a hole in the middle. There you go. Got wings. Mel said I need to keep fit, so rather than use a chainsaw, I give a little handsaw to do it. There you go. It's been on it a while now, maybe a few hours. I think you burned a few calories off now, Mel. Right, see if you've done it. See if you've done it, darling. See if you can do it. See if Mel can rip it off. Wiggle it a bit. Only move it slightly because it's going to be so heavy. Have you sawn all the way through? She's done it. Look at that. Yes. Wow. My gosh. Mel the greatest.